Here is how you should take notes in lecture. Firstly, you should make sure you've read or skimmed through the material a little ahead of the class. This gives you the advantage of getting better understanding and identifying things lecturers say but are not found in the study materials provided. Also, it helps you prepare your mind for the class, so you are able to prepare your mind for things you saw while reading that might be challenging. Do not focus mainly on the projected slide during lectures. Instead, concentrate on things being taught, what the lecturer writes or explains on the board. Those are the things to take note of, because you have the chance to go through the slides at your own leisure. Thirdly, while you read ahead, turn learning objectives, topics and subtopics into questions, and find answers to those questions during lectures and note them down. During lectures, listen to these and write only them. Frameworks, which include definition, lists, causes, effect, among others. Write them in your lectures or your simplest language form. Identify signal phrases like "this will be on the exam." The key takeaway: most people misunderstand. You should be able to explain this. You should also note examples given during lectures, because they are how you will remember abstract and difficult stuff later. For anything you misunderstand or you are confused about, write it down and put question mark next to it, and that will be your study list after the lectures. After lectures, use about 10 to 20 minutes to go over your lecture notes to know your strength and weakness during the lecture and plan towards that. Pro tips that actually helps: in the lecture hall, sit where you focus. The front rows give fewer distractions and better retention. 2. If the lecturer says it twice or more, write it down. It is the real stuff. If you miss something during the lecture, leave space and keep going. Fill it in later from the slides or a colleague. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.